Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Focus on building a solid foundation. In this video, I will explain how to study math fast, step by step. Begin by truly understanding the fundamental concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. Consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes every day. This daily engagement reinforces learning and builds confidence. Pinpoint your weak areas and dedicate extra time to mastering those specific topics. Active learning is crucial for speed and retention. Don't just read solutions. Work through example problems yourself, step by step. Try explaining concepts aloud as if teaching someone else. This reveals any gaps in your understanding. Challenge yourself with a variety of problems, slowly increasing the difficulty. This approach ensures you're not just passively absorbing information but actively engaging with it. Optimize your study environment for maximum efficiency. Find a quiet, distraction-free space where you can concentrate fully. Implement the Pomodoro technique, studying for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break. This prevents burnout and maintains focus. Regularly review older material. This consistent reinforcement helps transfer information from short-term to long-term memory, making recall much faster. Never be afraid to seek help. If you're stuck on a problem for more than 10 minutes, ask your teacher or a peer for guidance. Leverage the vast array of online resources, including video tutorials and extra practice problems. Most importantly, maintain a positive attitude and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Persistence and a growth mindset are vital for mastering math quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.